Are you seeing the message, "Please upgrade, your version of Roblox is out of date and will not work properly on your iPhone"? This usually happens when the app hasn't been updated on your iOS version. This usually happens when the app hasn't been updated or your iOS version is no longer compatible. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox out of date error on your iPhone. Let's update Roblox right now. Solution 1. Check your software update. Open Settings, tab General, then tap Software Update. If you see Software Update is available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. Solution 2. Update the Roblox app. Go to the App Store, tap on the search icon below, type Roblox. Now find the Roblox and tap on it. If you see the update option available there, then update the app. And this is how you can solve the "Please upgrade, your version of Roblox is out of date and will not work properly on your iPhone." If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.